Have you ever heard of stories of employees that don't talk to their coworkers and that don't make time to mingle and interact with their colleagues? All they do is that they're at their laptops or their computers and all they do is type away like they're a machine? Yeah. Very often we see that all the time in our workplaces. So this is what we're going to talk about today. We're going to be presenting a solution as to why that happens, right? And we're also going to look at the problem as to why that happens. One of the problems that people do that is because they don't have the energy to do so. They don't have the energy to mingle and interact with their fellow workmates. Okay, so you see often that colleagues are not giving enough attention to each other anymore. And as you all know, attention is equal to energy. You need energy to give attention, right? So if people don't have that energy, they can't give other people attention. They can't give their colleagues attention. As a result, there's very little connection between colleagues, which is not good because you want to have good, strong workplace connections. Now, the solution to this is to increase energy. But how do we increase energy so that we have enough energy in the workplace where we can talk to other people? So we need to increase our energy. How do we do that? Number one, eat well. So check your diet. Look at your diet. Are you eating enough fruits and vegetables? Are you eating good lean meat? Are you eating a moderate amount of good carbohydrates, of complex carbohydrates that take a while to digest? Do you eat enough fiber? Do you have good fats in your diet? Right? So you have to check what you eat. Second, you want to exercise. You want to have some sort of exercise regimen, and you want to have some sort of cardiovascular exercise somewhere in your program, right? Because cardio is what is going to give you more energy for the day, because it's going to raise your heart rate so that you can use that energy, and it will also lower your resting heart rate so that you won't be expending more energy while you're going about your day. You'll have more in reserve. And of course, you want to get enough sleep. So that means 6 to 8 hours of sleep, right? You don't want to go below 6 hours of sleep. So if you do that, you'll have more energy, right? So eat well, exercise, get enough sleep. You do that, you get more energy. More energy means better work relationships. Better work relationships means your colleagues will like you more. And when your colleagues like you, they'll be more likely to give you referrals for other companies, and your career will progress. Thank you for listening.